First, go to the Worlio website. That's worldsdotcom. We're going to click right here on the left side, Library. Click Worlds Player. Click Software. We're going to choose the version we want. I want 1900. Save file. Next, we're going to look for CNC Draw. This is GitHub link right here. Releases. I want to make sure you're on the Releases tab. And then, once that's done, you should have these two files in your downloads. We're going to run the installer first. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. I've already installed Worlds on this computer, so that's why it's asking me that. And then we're actually going to close it because we need to do some extra setup before we can use it. Go to where you installed Worlds by right-clicking, and on newer versions of Windows you should see a Find File Location option. I'm on Windows XP, so I'm actually going to have to go here, open Properties, and click Find Target. Here's where we installed Worlds to. We're going to look for a file called worlds.ini right here. First thing we want to do is add some quality of life options just to make things a little easier. So avatars 1000, disable shaper 0, allow obscenities 1. You can set this to 0 if you don't want to see swear words. And then this one's really important, permit any avatar 1. And we're going to save that. And now we're going to look for a file called override.ini. In this file, underneath runtime, right here, this section, we want to add world server equals world server : worlio.com 6650. We're also going to want to add upgrade server http : do not add the s. That is very important. It cannot have https. It has to be http. files.worlio.com 3d script server equals http files.worlio.com cgi-bin. Then we're going to want to save that. Right here in the same folder, we're going to want to drag and drop the contents of our cncddraw.zip that we downloaded earlier. And then finally, we're going to also want to install one more mod real quick. We're going to download this file called fixshare.zip. And then you want to drag the net folder into where you installed Worlds. If it asks you to overwrite files, click yes. And now, my computer just blew screen. Oops. That is my bad. This is a very old computer, and I believe some of the drivers here are less than amazing. Now that we've done that, we're going to go to Worlds Player at worlds.com. It should just load right up. It might take a little minute. It might take a long minute. It might take forever. Who knows? Again, ignore the error pop-ups. You're not going to see those. This computer is really old, so it kind of acts weird. When it's your first time, you're going to see this dialog pop up. It'll ask you to click next. Do not do that. You need to click sign in, and you'll need to register on the website first. First thing you're going to want to do is go to worlds.worlio.com, click register here, and fill in the fields. I already have an account, so I'm just going to type in my existing credentials. And look at that. You are online. You can see your name in the corner here, which shows that you're online. So there are users, chat's active, and that's all you need to know.